We are cooking corn. Corn and ube. This is a snack or delicacy in Igbo culture. Very rare in Scotland where I stay. Yeah. So you don't need to cook. It's not soaked in water. You can see the water down there. So valve is open. Once it whistles, we're going to shut the valve. Okay, so heat is medium, so obviously you can see my high heat. Yeah, so we cook on medium heat. Yeah, so once it whistles, I'm going to close the valve, right? And I'm going to turn it to low heat. That way you're saving 75% of your money from, energy from cooking. So I'm going to leave it medium. This is high, so obviously I'm going to leave it to medium. Yeah. Okay. So we'll come back. Once it whistles, we'll shut it. And that cooks at 82 degrees, 86 degrees, keeping all the nutrition intact. Intelligent cooking from Innove. Whistling. So shut it and low. That's us. We'll wait for it to cook. 10 minutes. And that should be ready.